It's an exciting day. Today it's historical because we are having our first footprint in Europe, in Brussels, in Belgium, heart of Europe. I'm very happy to be collaborating with Churchill Aesthetic Clinics. Now it is becoming our network for region, Belgium, Churchill Aesthetics. Before we cut the ribbon, I want Benito Novas to have the word, and then we cut the ribbon and celebrate with this grand opening.
Dr. Sami Johar he's been part of the family for a long, long time. He's been instrumental of the Global Stem Cells Group, and he's been an unconditional partner and friend. And now this was the detail that was missing, him formally becoming a member of the Regen Network, even though he's been helping the company grow for many, many years. So for me, it's just like welcoming a brother to our family.
1, 2, 3.
Yo!
Bravo. It's good, good job. Also, I would like to give this membership plaque to Dr. Sami Johar for his hard work, not only to him, but his lovely team and his lovely wife. And we are very happy. They've been doing a great job with the training, and it was a great day today. Thank you.
Thanks.
Let's enjoy the champagne now. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, cheers.
Benito was my old partner. Sally is my new partner. They are my brothers, and Iska is my family. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Bravo!